In the vast territory of opportunity, the lion does not roar first, it observes with wisdom, it positions with experience. Then, with quiet execution, it disrupts and builds lasting trust. Technology creates optionality, industrialization creates duration, execution creates sovereign value. This is the why of 360 disruption, 30 years of proven track record, turning vision into sovereign impact. From the USA, Europe, and the Balkans to the Emirates, diagnostics, advanced manufacturing, services-led FDI, delivering real results, jobs, knowledge transfer, Emiratization, and enduring growth. Confidence earned through execution, trust built through delivery. This is execution-led disruption. This is why we're about to make it in the Emirates. Welcome to the Lion Chronicles.